We got 1 horsepower.
Yeah.
Got donkey power. Shift it over here a little bit. All right, well, we're bringing it inside so we can take the glass out. That's good. And then we'll finish sandblasting. So we got to get this glass out without messing up this molding.
Cut it out.
That molding's like a rock, man. It's supposed to be nice rubber weather stripping. It's like hard plastic now. So we got to get the molding, take the inside molding off, take the side moldings off. Get the steering wheel. The steering wheel's off. We're going to get that out of the way. And we'll get this going here. All right. Be right back. So we're taking the control arm bushings out and the ball joints off of the car so that we can replace the new ones.
And then I can
50 what?
Yeah.
56, 57 years worth of. There she be. 57 years old. No, 57, 64, 1964. Oh, 57 years old. 57. Holy crap. Alright, we gotta cut this one off. These gotta get ground off too.
Then I can sandblast it like the other ones. And then I can sandblast
straighten
that.
all this out so it looks good. And you can sandblast everything off. Alright, give me a minute. Let me get these off.
Yeah.
Rest of it off. These are almost loose, so just gotta grind that one. Alright, so this part of the ball joint, the new one comes with this whole big ass thing here. This is spot welded in 4 spots. I guess Tom took this off or somebody took this off. See that? So we're gonna fill that in and grind that so you won't even see that. But what I'm going to do to get this one off, I'm just going to drill those 4 out and then we'll grind them, fill them and grind them after. All right.
Alright, we got that off.
Man, that sucked. Anyway, so we'll grind all that after he sandblasts. We'll grind it all down. We'll fill these welds in. I mean, fill the holes in with weld. Clean everything up, and then that's it. You won't even know what happened.
Just taking the other side.
On there, boy. It started coming. So I can push this side out. Disassembly time. Got the grill and the headlight bezels, all that stuff off. We're disconnecting the valance now. We're gonna get this fender off. You got the last one?
Yeah,
all right. Get the fender off.
should be the last one.
Right, here we go. Ooh, nice, Tom. That fender needs some work, but we'll fix that.
Yeah. It's on the bottom.
Yeah, we'll fix that.
And on the door, so.
And on the door, but the inside,
Yeah,
she looked really good. Really good. Looks good. Everything looks real good. We're gonna strip all this crap off of here. You think I got enough undercoating on this sucker? About 3 inches thick. But we're gonna get it all off. We'll scrape it all down. Wire wheel the whole thing out. After, because you can't even sandblast this stuff because it won't even take it off. So once we get all this stuff scraped off, maybe I'll get the sandblaster. Yeah, get that all done. All right, we're getting there. Let's get the other fender off, and then we'll get the doors off, and then we're gonna work on taking the windshield out.
Get the other one.
Go ahead. What do we got? One more side off. How's that look in there? Let me see that fender. Let me see the inside of the fender. Oh yeah, that fender's nice, bud. That's a winner right there. Oh, wait a minute. Got little Bondo holes in there. That ain't no big deal, but we'll fix that later. Same thing. This side's nice. Sweet. Looks good. So he's taking these headlight bulb, the retainers for the headlight. I'm gonna take all that out. This way everything's off the car. We ain't gotta mess with nothing. Take this, undo this harness in here, move everything out of our way, and get ready to cut. In the box. Yep. So that you can start grinding that if you want until I help you out with the window. That stays like that's for the wipers. It says on there. Yep. You can start grinding all that flat. You can cut off most of it with the.
I'll cut it off with the Sawzall.
Cut it off real flush with the Sawzall. Even that piece right there. And then nice grind it all clean. Then we'll put that template up against here and see how much more we got to cut. I know he cut it short, so we're gonna cut more, and then we're gonna add that little bit that we're gonna add to that. Cut that off. We unplugged all the wiring harness, so we can get all this off. I'll unplug that. Where's the socket? I'm laying all that one, lay it all together. Don't even want this way. It's all bolted into the same spot. Oh yeah.
That's a cut.
That's a nice cut. Now what's on this side? Let me see what's on this side. What's on that side? Alright, yeah, well that one, just cut it flush, and then I'll run a bead of weld on it.
Yeah, because like this side.
Yeah, I'll run a bead of weld on it and we'll just grind it. This way that stays like that. Right, and it'll reinforce it. So just cut it flush. Alright, so that's ground off. Look how thick this rubber undercoating is. It's as thick as my finger. We're going to take this brace off because somebody snot welded it. I don't know who did that, but we're going to take it off and grind it and clean it up. We're going to dismantle it anyway because we're going to take all this crap out of here, clean everything up. I'm going to call the sandblaster guy tomorrow after we scrape. Alright, like I was saying, we're going to take that off. Almost got that off. You got to take these two off.
I have everything.
We'll sandblast everything anyway. He just assembled it like kind of. You got to mark this left and right.
All right.
Leave this here. Leave that one there, and then we'll mark those after you, because they got to go in a certain way. All right. Okay.